my name is Thomas. I'm originally from Bogotá, Colombia, and my major here at CSM is Computer and Information Sciences. I'm part of multiple clubs here on campus, like the Computer Information Science Club, Business Club, and International Student Association. I'm also a member of the programming board at the Associated Students of CSM, where I help with the ideas and organizations of some of the most important events here on campus. I'm currently working as a social media student assistant at the SMCCD district office. I work with the Human Resources Department to create content to promote the various district job positions. My goal is to transfer to get a bachelor's degree in robotics engineering, a relatively new field that has a tremendous potential in the near future. I enjoy studying a STEM major because of the potential for innovation. I'm excited to be part of a field that can combine the software part with the hardware and real-world part. My top 3 tips for international students are: first, don't be afraid of trying new things. Sometimes just the idea of studying in a new country may scare us, but it's worth giving it a try. Second, take advantage of all the resources that CSM has to offer. Resources like the Math Resource Center, the International Office, or the Writing Center will help you daily on your study journey. Lastly, manage your time and finances. Being organized will help you a lot here on campus and even before arriving. CSM is an awesome place for international students to start their studies. The atmosphere is friendly and supportive, and the professors will help you succeed. College of San Mateo is a great place to learn and grow.